Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how we can actually start dropshipping using AI. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is the fact that in today's time and age, artificial intelligence has making a great stride, and we need to understand how we can actually use the power of AI to make our life easier. Now, we know for a fact that dropshipping is a very complicated process, and there's a lot of research that needs to be done in selecting the right product, putting the right description, getting the right price for it, adding the different prices for it, and there's so much that needs to be done. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do all of that in a simple, straightforward manner. The first thing that we need to do is head over to Shopify.com, the global commerce platform that can help you build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. You can discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify, and I am going to give you a competitive advantage over all these millions of different Shopifyers that are available right now that are dropshipping at this moment in time. And the beauty of Shopify is the fact that you can create your store the way that you want, from building an online storefront to crafting the brand that you want and leveling up with the apps that are available. You can sell to every buyer everywhere. You can sell online, offline, and use the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you need to do and get your product in front of customers with the best converting checkout on the planet and a flexible point of sale to power your store. You can reach new leads, engage with customers, build on data that you have, and more than that, you can even work on your back office and oversee the operations, fulfill every order, and manage your money where you make it. Now, if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. All you need to do is click on the start free trial or click on the description below given in this video, and you will be taken to the next page. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like once you complete the registration on Shopify. On the left hand side, you're going to have your orders, your products, your customers, your contents, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts. Now, if you click on products, you'll see an option where it says add your products. Now, once we click on add your products, it's going to ask us for the title, the descriptions, the pictures, the pricing, the cost, the quantities, the physical products, the variants, and how it's going to look on the search engine listing. Now, one of the major things which a lot of people tend to ask me is the fact that whenever they put a product on their Shopify account, it doesn't get ranked on Google. And the reason for this is because they do not do search engine optimization called SEO. Now, how do you do that? Now, doing it yourself is quite difficult. That's another person that you need to hire that will do the SEOs for your product descriptions to ensure that your product gets ranked on different search engines. Now, you need someone to do the research, you need someone to put together the SEO for your products, you need someone to actually find the price for the product, you need to find somewhere to buy that product from, and you need to put all that information and write that description and add it onto your products. You can clearly see the cost that is involved in developing products. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Now, ChatGPT is a very unique platform, guys, because it gives you a chance to research, find different products. So for example, let's say we ask ChatGPT to give us 5 products to dropship. Now, once we do that, what it's going to do is that it's going to research and find different elements that is available. So what they're going to do is that the 5 product categories that are historically performing well in dropshipping are fitness and equipment, beauty and skincare products, pet and supplies, and home decor, as well as phone accessories. Now, as you can clearly see that this is a very interesting 5 niches that they're giving us. So let's say phone accessories. So phone cases is something that's interesting. We're going to say give us phone case products and where to buy them. Now, once we do that, they're literally going to find the different products that are available. They're going to say you can go for a clear case, we're going to go for a leather case, and obviously, as you can see, that the cases can be sourced from a variety of suppliers, including Alibaba, AliExpress, and DG Gates. So these are all the different phone cases that we can go for. So now what we did is we selected a particular niche. Then after selecting that niche, we went for a sub niche. So as you can see, we have clear cases, leather cases, personalized cases, protective cases, and wallet cases. Now, they've said that if you want personalized cases, you can go to Printful, Zazzle, or Printify. If you want to get leather cases, you can get it from Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. If you want clear cases, you can get it from Alibaba, AliExpress, and DG Gates. If you want to get wallet cases or you want to get protective cases, you can go to these particular places and get these cases. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the first one, which is a clear case. Now, clear cases that showcase the phone's design have been popular in recent years, and you can get them on AliExpress. So let's head over to AliExpress.com. Now, once we head over to AliExpress.com, we're going to search for clear phone cases. Now, as we do that, we'll be able to see the different phone cases that are available. Now look at this, guys. This is very interesting. Now this product has been sold for 50,000 times at 99 cents. This has been sold for 10,000 times at 99 cents. And this is sold 5,000 times at 98 cents. This is sold for 10,000 times for 99 cents. If you scroll down, you can clearly see that this is truly a huge market where people have made $10,000 profit on these particular products. And what we can actually do is start selling these products in different places for a much higher price and actually make a much higher profit on it. So let's go and select one of these products. So let's go straight up over here. I think this is a very interesting product over here that's been sold for 10,000 times for 99 cents. And let's open this product and see what this product is. Now this is the actual title of the product. This is the pictures of the products that we can take from. And obviously if you scroll down, you can see all the different elements that are available. Now the beauty about this is the fact that with ChatGPT, you don't need to do anything yourself. Let's head back to ChatGPT and say, give us a product title for a clear case. Now, once we say that, they're going to give us a product title to actually put on our Shopify. So let's say crystal clear phone case for the number that we want and a transparent cover to showcase your phone design. So let's copy this from here, head back to our actual product and add the product over here. So we're going to take this from here and we're going to put iPhone. Now, once we put iPhone, so we're going to take this, copy it again, and head back to our iPhone over here. So this is an iPhone cover that we'll be using. So let's head back to ChatGPT and tell it ChatGPT to write a product description for this particular product. Now it takes a couple of seconds, and this is where the beauty comes in, because what it's doing right now is analyzing all the market that's available, doing the search engine optimization, checking the different elements that are available already in the market. And based on that, this is gonna develop a very unique, personalized, customized product description for this particular product that you can actually use and put on your Shopify store. Now it's very simple. You can see the power of the AI and ChatGPT that's available right now. So instead of hiring so many individuals, all you need to do is let ChatGPT do its job. Select the niche that you want, select the sub niche that is required. They will do the research, they'll find the product, they'll find the title, they'll tell you where to go, they'll tell you what to do, and all you need to do is follow the instructions that I'm giving you in this video to ensure that you can actually select the right product, get the right title, and get the right description without spending a dime. At this moment in time, we have not spent $1 doing all this research, and we've literally in a span of 8 to 10 minutes found a good product, got the right description for it, and we're adding all this information and developing this particular product. And once you put this product in, we already know that the product has been sold 10,000 times, so that is $10,000 available for you for up for grabs. And you can do this for multiple products, and all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in, because now you have a system in place that will allow you to take the steps that are required for you to scale your business and break away from the 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. Once this product description is completed, all you need to do is copy this information from here, and once you copy this information from here, just add it to the description over here and you're done. Now let's scroll down and say we want to add the media files. So it's quite simple, guys. All we need to do is save this picture, and once we save this picture, we need to upload this picture over here and we're good to go. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a price range for this product. Now once we ask this question, what happens is that it's going to search the internet and is going to give us a price range for this particular product. Now between $5 to $20 this is being sold right now, so we're getting it for $1. So let's put this product, let's say, for about $4. So once we're going to put it for $4, we're going to scroll down, we're going to continue selling if it's out of stock, we're going to put a code for over here if we want to put a code. We'll scroll down, we're going to mention the shipping that it wants, different variants, and this is the good thing that comes in. Your search engine optimization is done in a proper way with the description and with the title, giving you that competitive advantage to scale and start selling this product. It is as simple, straightforward as that, guys, and you can do it for as many products as that you want and start scaling your business quite simple and easily like that. Now, if you have any questions, if you need any clarification, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.